welcome back to our channel WebToTech. If you are looking to enhance the security of your Duolingo account by changing your password, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will guide you through the simple steps to change your Duolingo password. To get started, open the Duolingo app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. If not, log in using your current credentials. Once you are on the home screen, look for profile icon, which is the fourth icon from the bottom. Tap on that. Here you are on the profile menu. Tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. To change the password, simply tap on the password slot, which is right below the image drop. Type in your old password along with the new password you would like to change it with. Then tap on Save button, which is on the bottom of the screen. So there you go, you have successfully changed the password of your Duolingo account. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.